And the rope early lead is taken by Blush of Victory on the inside, and on the outside is Mista Sapima running by the rail in third. On the outside, Minotaur, and Yes Friday is bringing up the rear. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Blush of Victory by half a leg, followed by Mista on the outside, now moving up to grab the lead. It is now Mista on the outside, and by the Blush of Victory, Sapima running in third by 2 legs, Minotaur on the outside, and Yes Friday. Rounding the far third, it's still Mista in the lead, followed now by Sapima moving up on the inside, Blush of Victory, Minotaur moving up on the farther outside, and Yes Friday. But it's still Mista in the lead, followed by Sapima, Blush of Victory in between horses, Minotaur on the outside, and Yes Friday. And at the top of the stretch, it is still Mista in the lead, followed by Blush of Victory, and Sapima moving up on the inside, Minotaur on the farther outside. It's Mista on the outside, in between horses, Blush of Victory and Sapima by the rail. Blush of Victory by the rail. On the outside is Mista and Sapima. And nearing the payoff line, entry number 1, Blush of Victory. Finally, Blush of Victory, Sapima, Mista, Minotaur, and Yes Friday.